Hi chummies, welcome to my channel. If you find this tutorial helpful, please don't forget to subscribe, like and leave a comment. It helps me create more content like this and you will never miss out on useful tips when I upload new videos. Let's dive in. The first thing you are going to do is to knead and roll out your fondant. You will have to roll out your fondant in a way that it is not too thin. Now at this point we have already achieved the level of our thickness. I am so sorry I did not take a proper video of how the thickness should be, but I hope how it is you get it. So I do not have a shape or a container or an object that has a square shape at the moment, so I had to make do with what I have. So I just took a cover of one of my containers which is circular in shape and just place it on the fondant. Don't worry, we can actually achieve a square shape from a circle. You will see what I'm talking about. So to get a square shape from a circle, the first thing is to get a circular shape, which I just did. Get a straight ruler and cut the sides straight, just like I did. I think I was tired of using the ruler, so I just had to look for a faster method. So I made use of my cake scraper to just cut each of the sides, and see, I already have a square. Now, having achieved a square shape, get a cake scraper or anything that you can use to just create a size, to cut out a side. Don't worry, you see what I'm doing. What I just did now was I just used a cake scraper to fix a line. This line I'm showing you now, it's going to be my focus. I'm going to cut it out. So you watch the video on how I'm going to do it. So I made use of the cake scraper, and what I did, I placed it on that line and cut it out. See, placed it on that line and cut it out. Went to the other side and cut it out. It's as simple as that. Sorry, I don't even know what happened to me, why I didn't take the video full time, but I hope you understand. Basically what I did, see, I'm trying to reorganize it again. This was how it was before, right? It was square, so I just used the cake scraper to place it, see, cut it out, and if it was not comfortable, I turned it to that side to finish cutting it out. Did the others too again. So you see, that was exactly what I did, and now I already have a t-shirt. So what I'm just going to do, I'm just going to use my hands to carefully bring down the hand. Just bring it down a little. So that is it. This is our t-shirt, but we are not yet done. So you get a nozzle tip, bring it. You get a nozzle tip, any of your sides. I think that one was big, so I just had to make use of a small one. And then at the end, at the top end of your fondant, you just press it down to cut out the up, so you can have an oval shape, which will serve as the what do you call it? Is it the top of your of your t-shirt? So this is what I did basically. Now I am about to design the top of the t-shirt. So I got a green fondant, sorry, not a green fondant, a yellow fondant. I got it, and what I'm just going to do, I'm just going to roll it out. I used my hands to just rub it around my palm. So I'm going to do this until I get my desired consistency. So it shouldn't be too thick, okay, just slightly thin. So I'm just going to roll out as you are seeing in the video. So the reason why I have actually been cutting this yellow fondant is because I'm trying to get the height or the length that will suit the top of the t-shirt. So I think I have gotten it. So what I just did, I just got water using my pastry brush, then I brushed the top of the t-shirt with water, and then got the yellow fondant and placed it on top. When you have excess, you can easily cut it out. So this is what we have. So let's get our number 8 ready. So I'll be making use of the yellow fondant, and I'm trying to prepare it so that I can use my number cutters to get number 8. So now I have just successfully rolled out the fondant. You might be wondering, why am I using a cling film, or why did I place a cling film on top of this fondant? Guys, that is actually one of the hacks or tricks of getting your cutters, your numbers ready. You know, there are sometimes that we use cutters, and then when you place it without a cling film, you discover that the fondant sticks to the cutter sometimes when you try removing it from the cutter, you discover that it will even cut. So the best way is to get a cling film. I showed it, I'm going to show you X. You see how easy it is. So I just placed the cling film, and see, voila, I was able to get what I want. And you know, before, without this cling film, this fondant might probably stick to the cutter, and it will make your work not easy. So that is one trick you should learn from this video. So make use of your cling film whenever you want to get your cutters, be it alphabetical cutters, alphabets or numbers, something like that. So you can actually see, very easy. All you just have to do is just remove it from the cling film, and it does not affect the shape of your numbers. It won't cut, nothing. So for your red fondant stripes, just spread water beneath the fondant, then you place on your t-shirt. Please make sure that the fondant you'll be using as the stripes is thin. Thin, not thick. Just as you see on the video, you see that the red fondant is thin. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a like, drop or a comment, and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials. See you in the next one.